Time check, time 5:03 a.m.
Can you give me that water? Turn to rock.
Guys, officially, I don't feel good. Oh my goodness. Clag kay ako ang sinus, ako ang throat, ako ang, oh my. Pero woke up like this. Hindi mo
I had
na
a rough
maglag
sleep.
na.
Rough sleep last night too. I don't know because we did a lot of work in the garage yesterday.
Yeah.
I think the dust got to me. Mine's more interior dust. I think yours is more allergy from the trees. Oh, sorry.
Today is kuan 28. Last day of kuan lagi. Mo lagi na siya. It's a alone sound along ni we're gonna be locked up in the
House.
pero we have to go to farmers market to get a honey. Mas nindot do kuno na nag-advise nga it's better do kuno to get honey locally. So we will see. Let's do it organically. But Yaya is ready. Outfit check. Balag lang ginawa basta. OATD check. Ay, Yaya ka lang. Ang mga bata ba, expected nila nga maglaglaag. Kaysa, it's going to be so nice today. It's like 70 plus. So, feel kay siya, o more siya summer feeling. Pero, like akong ginawa sa to have a jacket on kasi Yaya ka lang. Maski summer dire, magdalagyan kong jacket. Kaya nga no, kung ato kag sulod sa, ano ka lang, mall, grocery, takigan ko guys. Matawag na siya, pallets. Pallets, let's go. Lucky this guy ha. Ay, naku, always adjust. Ay, you know what, babe? I'm allergic to your flowers.
I think you're lucky.
Ay, naku. So, I got flower one there. I also have there.
I think you're the lucky one.
Tapos, nagsamot siya kay, nagbilar ko kagabi because I was doing a computer work. Dili po ako mahuman. Okay, it's another one there. Gusto na ko na ay alive sa ako ang palibot. Flowers. And the last one here sa bathroom. Tadaan! O, diba? Para feeling gwapa yung Yaya. Siguro ni siya kuan. Tawag ano yan akong flowers. Basta lagi spring bitaw, dili ko mabuhi gid ambot lang sa kabaw. Saon na lang. And ako na plano lagi nagbilar ko kagabi because I could not sleep. O dili siya I could not sleep. Kanang giganahan lang kong edit but then wala na survive ang wifi.